Are you looking for the best RGB gaming chair? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best RGB gaming chair on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Goplus RGB Massage Gaming Chair. The requirement of USB power to make the amazing RGB and massage cushion function means that you will be tethered to your computer. Freedom of movement is restricted in this way, but this could easily be solved by plugging into a USB power bank. If you are looking for a stylish rainbow gaming chair that offers a fair amount of adjustability to tailor to your needs, this is a good option. This does come at a price, with this being the most expensive full chair on this list. USB powered RGB and massage cushion, high density sponge construction with pull leather cover, adjustable armrests for extra comfort, remote controlled RGB LED flashing edging. This is a quality chair that offers a few extra comforts than a standard RGB chair, with an ergonomic design to tailor-fit the seat to your needs. All this with flashing RGB lights make this an amazing addition to any gamer setup. Number 2. Modern-Depo RGB Gaming Chair. The Modern-Depo RGB Gaming Chair is a sturdy design with adjustability to suit almost all the needs of the user. This LED gaming chair has bright RGB colors that are customizable through a supplied remote control. When gaming gets a little too much, you can flatten the backrest to 180 degrees for a little break. The high-quality steel frame means this chair is built to last and is easy to construct on your own if you can follow the sometimes hard-to-read instructions. The chair provides a lot of support with the added head and lumbar cushions, and the armrest adjustability makes this medium-priced chair a good investment. This light-up gaming chair is also USB-powered, meaning that you will have to be tethered to your computer via the USB port, or a simple solution is to use a USB powered bank and tuck the pack into the back of the chair. Number 3. Youthup Gaming Chair. The Youthup RGB Gaming Chair is packed full of features with USB powered RGB lighting along the edges and back of the seat. Throw in 2 Bluetooth speakers that you can connect to your phone or other Bluetooth enabled devices, and you have an immersive sound experience. This design continues the racing seat aesthetic with streamlined 3D sponge for comfort and a removable headrest and lumbar support cushions. The metal frame provides support for a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds and comes with commercial grade components. You can sync the RGB lighting to your music playing with 5 music dream patterns and 20 different non-music patterns, all via a remote control. This seat is also USB powered, so you will be tethered to your computer, restricting your freedom of movement. Number 4. Ohaho RGB Gaming Chair. The Ohaho RGB Gaming Chair offers a value for money way into the LED chair world. The excellent after-sales service will help put your mind at ease with full support provided by the seller. It may not have the best RGB customizability, but this light-up gaming chair can still hold its own against others on this list. A 2 to 3 foot USB cable is included to power the chair via the USB port on your computer, which isn't the longest, so will limit the chair's movement. A power bank attached to the chair will sort out the movement issue. If you throw in the added head and lumbar cushion and the 90 degrees 180 degrees adjustable backrest, this is a comfy chair suited for hours of use.